All right, so let's do the header for the project. But let me just open up the header that we already have. Maybe I can just steal some of it because it uses the same thing. All
How big
right.
is the maze, by the way?
I think the maze is 8 by 8.
And that's including the walls?
Yeah, I think so. You're using pop and push, right?
Yeah, and peak, I think.
Which one?
And peak, push, pop, and clear.
All right, push, pop, clear. I don't have peak.
I'm pretty sure it's peak.
Peak just literally takes top. So it's the same thing as pop, except you don't do the top -1 thing or whatever.
Is it void though? Like,
Um,
or is it int?
I think it is. I want to say it's void.
All right.
No, it should be int. Unless it should be int.
All right, then what else do we have? Moves should be like all int, right? Because a move is just pretty much gonna add a number to like an origin, I guess. If that makes sense.
It depends how you want to do it, because it's like the robot project that was like left, right, whatever.
Yeah.
What I did for that project is I made my x and y global variables, and then I just made it like void move left, and I just changed the value of x. Like we could do something like that with where the ant is. So like his x and y positions are global variables that anything can change. So if you want to do that, it'd be void. But if you want to make them not global variables, then I think it'd be int. It's up to you. I don't care either way.
I was gonna say the same. So I don't know. Do you guys want to do global or just like int? Or at least whichever one seems the easier one to do.
I mean, you can just put int for now. Like
Yeah,
it's a word. It's not hard to change things as well.
let's move all caps, or I'll just do like this. Okay.
Yeah, all the moves are going to be integers because they're moving like on the dimensions, I think. Because it's like moving like up a space and stuff.
All right. Right and left. I didn't miss any of them, did I? I'll save it later. I just want to have it all down first. So then there was a CWL or whatever it was called, right? You're right. Yeah, it's the itch command. So it will detect a wall. So would it be like a void then? Because it's only going to be checking for something instead of actually like have the ant move. Like you can just like do a check, like if it detects a wall or something, then I don't know like how to say it properly. Or if you do like an int, like int CWL or whatever it was, then if it sees like a wall, it'll return 1. Then it'll tell the ant not to move in that direction. I don't know if you guys have any ideas for that one.
For which one? Sorry.
For the itch command.
There's
maybe it's a character because doesn't it place down like an asterisk?
The itch? No, the pheromone.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's Mark. You know what, I'll just get mark out of the way then. So care mark. Wait, did I do
I
something
think
right?
it's capital. No,
Capital,
it's
yeah.
capital.
Oh, there.
Yeah. Then what else? There's a lot, right?
Yeah, I was talking about itch. So like, how would we initialize it then?
Okay, well, since it checks or something,
I would
but
do
it doesn't
void.
really, it doesn't output
It doesn't do-
anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't output anything, so void,
So
right?
void, right?
Or if you wanted to, you could do int, and what it returns is the amount of spaces that are in that direction. So like if there's 4 spaces, it returns 4. If there's 2 spaces, it returns 2.
Yeah, I guess.
I think it only one because I'm pretty sure that it can only check in one direction.
No,
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I
Yeah,
think that's what
'cause-
he said in class, but because if not, then
I think like it just checks in that certain direction that it was assigned to. For now, I'll just do void then, because it's only going to be checking. It's not returning any numbers or anything, right? So CWL, that's for left. Left, right, up, and down. Actually, forward. All right. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have like
there's the bold jump
yeah.
and the cautious jump.
Those are going to be definitely ints, right? Because they're
Yeah.
pretty much like a modified move.
Yeah.
So int. What was the symbol or like thing for ball jump again?
What?
What was like the code word for ball jump?
Oh, BJPI.
BJPI.
Yep.
Alright.
And then it's CJPI. Yeah, for the other one.
Yeah. I think there's one more that we need.
There's backtrack is the last one, I think.
All right. Backtrack. That's gonna be an int, right?
Because it's essentially like it's kind of like popping, I think.
Yeah, but I'm thinking of backtracking like in terms of like the movement, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, it's an integer.
Yes.
All right, let me just count. Let's see if it's 16.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Okay, so yeah, that's all of them.
All right, and then I'll just call this project.
Yeah, you guys are right. My bad.
All right. Yeah, so I think that's it for the header file. We have int pop, void push, void clear, int peak, int move, char for mark, void for the itch, int for the jumps, and int for the backtrack. What's it called? For the .c file, because we already have pop, push, and clear giving to us. Do you just want to do that for now?
Yeah.
All right, let me just pull it up real quick. Let me just steal this. close it at. All right. Yeah, we have to change top to peak, right?
I think you keep them both.
All right. All right. So where's the header? Pop. We have that. Push. Have that. Clear. It's pretty much empty. I'll just rename it.
No, there's a clear.
There is. All right. Never mind then. Peak. I don't see peak, so we should probably add that. Oh, what's the difference between peak and top?
Nothing. Top F and peak are the same thing.
All right, so I'll just change every word that says top to peak.
No, not top. Just top F.
All right, top F.
The function. Yeah, just make that peak.
Yeah. All right. So I shouldn't change this.
No, yeah, keep that.
All right. Peak. Then everything else we have to implement by ourselves. So do you want to save that for next time?
Yeah, let's save that.
Yeah, all right. So I guess that's it for now.
Thank God.